How to change your YouTube channel's name. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open YouTube application. After that, log in with your account detail. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and go to the option of view channel. After that, click on the edit option beside the manage video. Now here you can see two names. Handle is the actual name that appears before your channel, so if you want to edit it, make sure you won't be able to change it for 14 days. Same as that with the name, so you can edit it and click on save. So that's it. That is how easily you can change the YouTube channel's name. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.